Good morning, everybody. It is 7:08. It is 40 degrees outside. It's a little cloudy, a little sunny. We'll see what we'll get today. Y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, we got a Linux furnace we're gonna do a system check on. Alright, we got this little board that goes on there. That right there. Alright, got our reducer motor out. Put these right there. Whoops. Where'd I put my jumpers? Right here. So we're gonna grab our jumpers. Let's see, we're gonna go to Y and R. Boom. We're gonna grab our meter. Field piece meter right here. Set it to amperage. Get our phone ready. Alright, and we are going to check our inducer motor. Make sure our flame fires up. Inducer motor is running. We got ignition. And we got flame. Now we're gonna wait for blower motor to turn on. Once the blower motor turns on, we will check the capacitor. Blower motor is running. We will check the flames, make sure nothing is bouncing or hitting the any of the safety switches. Filter was changed. Alright, so now we're gonna check the capacitor, make sure no power is on there. Pop those off. What is that, a 40? Damn. Got a 40 microfarad? That's crazy. Oh, we gotta set it to MFD. And we got 39.9 on a 40. That is good. Now we can stick these back in there. Boom. Boom. And we will put this in here. We will see ignition again. Check how many amps this inducer is pulling. .4 amps on the inducer motor, and we need to be pulling 1.2, which is not bad. Flame is back on. Everything looks good. We're gonna wait for the blower motor to turn on. There's the blower motor again. We're gonna let it cycle for a little bit longer, and then we can head out of here. It's good. Awesome. I'll take my things out. Well, we just finished up that system check on that Lennox 80% furnace. Today was pretty uneventful. Had 2 calls. One was about a zone system having issues. Turns out it was just they changed the thermostat and they did not program it for a furnace. They had it for a heat pump. So fixed that. Then we had another call for a dirty flame sensor. So cleaned that up, furnace fired right up. Everything's working properly. And of course, this last system check on that Lennox furnace, 3-year-old furnace, it was amping out good. Motor was a little bit high, but that's because they had a dirty filter. The homeowner said he switched it about 2 weeks ago. He didn't, and he didn't have another filter, so I just left it in there. But I mean, capacitor was good on the blower. Draws on your inducer motor were decent. Everything looked good on the furnace. They're ready for winter time. That's all I got for you guys. I guess it's time to go home. I'll see you guys next time.